Today we're talking about how ridiculously easy some Timbren SES kits are to install. My name is Tarek, and this is Timbren. Timbren SES kits have always been simple and easy to install. Some of them are so easy, it's just ridiculous. Here's an example of what I mean. Let's take a look at part number GMR-CK25D. This kit replaces the bump stop on the rear of the 2019 Chevy 1500 pickup. In order to remove the bump stop, you simply pry it out of the bump stop cup that's located up on the frame. Installing GMR-CK25D is just ridiculously easy because it does not involve any tools whatsoever, and I can prove it. First of all, the kit comes pre-assembled, no tools. Secondly, it's held by friction. Once again, no tools. After applying a little dish soap to the rubber spacer on top of the assembly, you simply work it into the bump stop cup. And by the way, please do not use any oil. If there's still too much friction, use a 2x4 block of wood between the rubber spring and the axle, and use the weight of the vehicle to pop it into the bump stop cup on the frame. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. Each and every single Timbren kit comes with a lifetime warranty and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call, reach out to us via social media, or send us an email. And if you like this video, go ahead and click that like button there. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button there. And do not forget to click that little bell icon there so you can stay notified every time we put out a new video. Thank you very much, guys, and we'll see you later.